is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
We dey welcome una come this program wey we dey call Area Tori. Area Tori na the program wey dey come to una from Procyon Radio and Television. They bring different tori wey dey happen for our area. And today for studio, I get Gloria Enoch.
People, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening.
I also get Evelyn Harry.
People of God, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
All right, we wan tell una say the topic wey we get na better topic. Abeg make una no comot. But if una dey watch us for the very first time, make una subscribe, like, share, and also drop una comment for us. And then we dey for different social media handles. We dey for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. We dey all over. If you wan get us, just type Procyon RTV. Una go get us for our different social media handle. The tori wey we dey carry come today, the topic na be the woman wey pour hot water for house help. The tori go like this, Gloria and Evelyn. This particular woman talk say she need house help. From the beginning, her husband talk say he no wants, because he dey hear different tori of different things wey dey happen because of house help. And so the husband say he no want, but the woman come dey stubborn, come keep quiet, allow the husband to travel. As the man travel comot, then the woman now come quietly go bring the house help come, say because she get one pikin, she want make person wey dey help her with that pikin. So, and according to her, say she need a person wey go dey at least keep the pikin busy. Na in one day she dey maltreat the pikin. Na in one day the husband say when he come back, he come see say your wife don bring, and I call her say, kai madam, why you bring girl come? Me, I don tell you as husband, say no bring anybody come my house. You no gree, you carry this girl come. According to the husband, say he dey observe her, the way she dey handle the girl. Now he come call her say, the way you dey handle this girl, now you talk say you need am, you carry am come, but the way you dey handle am, I no like am, carry this girl go back. The woman say no, she no go carry am go back, and the girl must learn wetin she wants. She dey beat the girl. She no dey give the girl food at the right time. She dey do many bad things for the girl. The husband say he comot go work. Next thing he come hear him wife dey call her say, come meet me for so place. He say wetin happen now? Our pikin dey okay? He say yes. He say to what of that our house help? She say na the problem be that say we wan go hospital. Now the man leave him work, rush come back house. Come back, go meet am for where she say make he meet am. Now he discover say this woman pour hot water for the girl body. Wetin the man do? The man carry him own wife go police station. Say this thing e pass my power, no be me go judge this case. Na police na go judge this case. So as they reach police station, now they go even see the damage wey the woman do for the pikin. Now they come carry the pikin go hospital. You see wetin this woman take her hand carry come her house.
Wetin this woman do no good. Wetin this woman do no good. Why you go carry pikin wey dey this one na underage? Because that pikin no sabi all the that pikin suppose to be in mama place, her mama place.
The pikin na that less than 10.
Yes. They learn. No be to carry pikin come work for you. At that age, that pikin no sabi do anything. Number one, you get this kind of attitude, why you go even carry pikin? Wetin you wan do with the pikin? Now as you pour the hot water, so I agree that husband na very good husband. They are the type of husbands that we call good husbands. Because wetin that man do, na God go reward am. Because that pikin, if for say he leave that pikin for this woman, she for don look for how she go take hide this matter, and it go be serious problem for her head.
All right. So
abeg make me and chook mouth small for that matter, because as a concern pikin now, una hear as we don talk. Now this kind thing na dey always talk. We dey always talk am for here. Say no be say when you don born pikin, you don't get sense. Who born even in 12 years pikin child, if you born pikin and sense never dey inside of her, you born pikin just one pikin. Maybe you just dey start life, you, your husband and the pikin, 3 people for house. You want house help. Tell me work what you dey do for the house. to get up, bath your pikin, dress your pikin, find food wey you go eat, wash, raise the cloth, 2 cloth, the pikin and your own and your oga own. There's 3 people cloth. Now you go look for helper, and the way you go carry underage child, make you come dey help you. Wetin that one go fit do for you? If you add problem to yourself, because that one you go wash in cloth, you go cook for am, even plate, that one no reach to wash plate for you.
Na that one go come dey make am vex, feel say the girl no dey work the kind work wey she wan make she work.
It can never happen because the girl no reach the age wey fit do all those things. So the mistake wey you do for that number 1 to go carry that helper wey you want, your husband say no, because your husband maybe don read you, know say you get that kind gara and you get hot temper, you fit beat person pikin. That is why he say no bring person, me I no want person, that kind thing. Stay your own, care for your pikin. You go carry person and you no fit hold person pikin well. You carry, how even nothing that pikin for do. You no fit flog am, you carry hot water, you pour am. You wan kill am for the honor. That is why. So now thank God for the husband wey marry you. Na man wey get wisdom, na man wey get fear of God, na man wey know say law dey against all those kind things. Then make e carry you go police station. Now the police go do the rightful thing for your head with that one. Because for here we don't blame you. We don't blame you well. You do wrong thing.
You wey born pikin, you know how e be to born pikin and to carry pikin. You no think say the person wey born this one wey you pour hot water, say you go love am the way you take love your own.
Yes.
And you don't even think say, oh, any bad thing wey you do to them, you go pay that person the way you go pay you if they
do to your own
pikin. So another person pikin no be pikin be that. Na your own na be pikin. Carry hot water, you come dey pour. Evening, e be like say you wan talk something.
I wan talk how we take do with our own children. If we ask them, we tell them say, do this thing, do that. Sometimes you go dey feel this thing. Now this person no be your own pikin. You know how the one wey you born dey frustrate you. Now you go carry a person own. Now
that one you wan use.
Yes, you wan use take bend down, twist am and the way you want twist am. Now that pikin wey you carry from someone, you know say no be you born am. The way you go treat am dey different. As you take do your own, as us as mothers wey we dey treat our own, do this and this, you no go get that kind patient with another person pikin, because no be you born am. And that pikin still dey small. Now my worry be that pikin na small pikin. E go take time
for you to be able
to shape that child. And talk me my own be say, even the mothers, we know they carry small children like that, they give out. They do that one. You know they good.
You know say some parents then get mind, because if I look am well, you understand. If I look am well as a mother, like some people they think say, "Kai, this woman you too like children." Do you understand? Because even na your own sister. When you say, okay, make my pikin go spend holiday, you go dey call am every minute. Make you know as e be. Your sister fit dey vex with you, say, wetin now? No be my place. Why they call her now? But because of that bonding wey you get and the mind wey you get for your pikin as a mother, you no go fit rest until the day wey your pikin enter house. But some mothers, they no wan work. Now make my pikin go somewhere. Make they not take responsibility.
No,
you understand? No, don't come up for their head. I don't want to take responsibility. You don't want to take responsibility, but you want marry. You want go meet man. You want do everything where married woman want to. I know go fit to wash plates. I know go fit do this. Now that one make that woman go carry
that girl.
The day where you want marry, you don't know say you don't enter as housewife. The only thought be say na love na dey your mind, which is very wrong. So you have to make up your mind before you go enter. You enter, you go carry your cross. Yes. All the responsibility as a housewife, you go do am. No be somebody go come do am for you. Our mothers those days, where they know house help, they no know. Them born not the only one too. Some of them reach 10. Some of them, some houses, they call them 1 dozen. Some houses, they say football field. You understand?
Yes.
You get different names where they call, because the children plenty and the mothers they committed. All these baba things where they happen now, they happened before. Women they committed. They committed to your family. Now it be the work where God don't give us. you go, if you wan work, you go look for your work, do other things, but your family must be first. Na the advice wey I dey take give una be that as we dey finish this program. Now I wan thank una for coming to the studio. Gloria Enoch
Thank you very much.
and Evelyn Harry. Thank you very much. Abeg, make una dey take care of una children. No get mind carry your pikin go throw away. Because I dey tell you, God no go forgive you. Na the responsibility wey God don give you be that. So make una subscribe, like, share, and also drop una comment for us. Make una no forget to dey always like or share our video. Abeg, God go bless una if una dey do so. The program wey una dey lis ten to na from Procyon Radio and Television. And then we dey for YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, we dey for Instagram, we dey for everywhere. Just type Procyon RTV, una go get us. Make una watch us. Make una no just watch pass, drop something. God go bless una. Make una dey shine like the star wey una be.
Baby, my salary, I want to marry.